The Lost Lesson. Tariq and Sufyan are best friends. They live on a sunny street. Today is a special day. "Let's play," said Sufyan. Tariq looked at his watch. "First, let's help Grandma Ida. She lost her favorite book." Grandma Ida's book was very old. It had stories about being good. She was sad to lose it. "Where did she go?" asked Sufyan. Tariq pointed to the hill. "She went to the big park, on the high hill." The path was long. Tariq walked slow, thinking. Sufyan walked fast, looking for clues. Soon they saw something red. It was a small notebook. "Is this the book?" asked Tariq. Sufyan opened the book. "No, this is not the storybook. This is a list of names. It says, Mr. Jamil. We must find Mr. Jamil and give him his book. It is important to help everyone." They saw Mr. Jamil near the big tree. Sufyan ran and gave him the notebook. "Thank you, boys," said Mr. Jamil. Mr. Jamil smiled and said, "I saw the old storybook near the bench." Tariq and Sufyan found Grandma Ida's book. What a happy day!